Hi everyone, today we are working on this section here. We've got our pine planking to go on and I've got to build out this reveal on the side of the window to fit in with this panel here. Let's get started. So the plan is to mirror this reveal to this one. So we've got to bring it out here. We've got to frame this section out. And then this section of panelling, it's got to intersect into this area here. So looking at this, we've got to extend this into this area here and then come across with our planking here, leaving this lovely oak on show. Thank you once again for taking the time to make comments. Now I will later on in this video try and work my way through some of them questions and give you the answers to them. But for now, I've got to crack on with this. Perfect. And that will fit flush with that, all the way up to the top there. I'll be able to get a fix in from the other side through there. It'll be faced off with that, and then our plasterboard will run behind into this here. Now I can get a fixing through here and the back side into that stud. Perfect. So now if I wish to put a light on here, we've got access through here. Yep, that's great. I have been toying with the idea with the electrics. I can either go behind all the panelling, and don't forget this panelling is just tacked in place to allow me to insulate at a later date. I can run all my cables and everything behind, or, which I quite like the idea of, is running it in like an industrial style conduit, so on the face. Yeah, I'm going to mould that one over, but either way we can still crack on. So next I need to get the planking up here. I need something to fix this side as well. So that's all nicely tacked in place. If I need to take them off, it's just a case of popping out a few screws. Now I'm not going to close this top section in because I've got to work on that area inside the beam there. Got to fill that up with some lime. Might put a strap on here going into it as well. Fill that up with some stone and lime. Give it a bit of strength. This section here, as mentioned, will be plasterboard. That one and that side reveal as well. Both of the reveals are now equal depth. So let's start working through some of your comments. Now, as mentioned in the previous video, I've had a chance to look at this properly, and as most of you recognised, it's a religious sign. And the back is 18, I still can't see. Well, you can make your mind up, it's definitely 18. Something. So, yeah, I think that's what that is. Maybe there would have been, a few of you suggested that a little font in the front there, not quite sure. But it's an interesting piece, you know. Really does look good. Still don't know what these are though. They was with it, they're the same colour and everything. Round peg in a square hole, no, don't think so. I mean, if that was on a wall, would it have had the date on the back of it? Quite sure, still think, well, I don't know, every time I look at it I see something different. There would have been dowels maybe in the top there. But yeah, an intriguing piece. I think we'll all agree it's a religious item. Some other questions that have been popular. Am I going to insulate on the exterior walls? Yes, I will do. I can do it at any time I like, run the cables through. Everything's tacked on at the moment. You know, I can just take one plank off there if I needed access. I can get the insulation down behind. These panels are just screwed on at the moment, so everything is still flexible for what I need to do. Yeah, I just think that for me, that is a good way to work. Mentioned, I am toying with the idea of the surface mounted conduit. I think that looks really good, you know, like an industrial kind of application. In the barn and that, there has been external conduits and power run to this one, so it had been used in the past. I'm going to look into that. Another popular question: when will I go out and finish the floor? Well, if I'd have done it previously, I mean, I haven't had the weather on my side to be able to do it. It has to be certain conditions to use the lime. But I would have probably been damaging it. You know, I could have boarded it out, but I kind of figured that I'll do it when the weather breaks, and it won't be soon. And there was one other thing, wasn't there? That marriage chest. Let's go next door and take a closer look. Now, did I mention that it needs a full restoration, renovation, you name it, it needs it. Yep, looks like the birds have been sitting on it. But, okay, let's hope the camera can pick it up. Can you see a love heart and some initials? Yeah, I can just about. Now, one day when I get a bit more time and start working through the stuff in here, tidying, we'll get that out and have a closer look. But I think the date was 1700 and something on that one. Yeah, that's pine as well. There often was. Okay, right, let's get back inside. Any more questions? Leave us a comment. Now, I've been thinking about what colour to go with this. Maybe a kind of a whitewash, a matte finish, not quite sure. Might be a nice contrast with these. And we have got a shelf and a nosing to go on there, same as the other side. I think I've got enough cut. Yep. Yep. Got that to be cut. This has already got the same profile as the other side. The nosing will go on the front. Yeah, that will work. Oh, that's matched him brilliantly. Well, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. See you in the next one. Bye for now.